Okay, quick Thursday morning radar update. So, nice positive day in the US yesterday. Been on a little bit low volume on the prior days, but we'll go and have a look at yesterday's. Good lockstep day there. Let's just jump down these markets from the top. Transports, yep, just trading in a range. Industrials, new all-time closing highs. Volume's still a little bit light at the moment in these, but you know, price is real, isn't it? Same. S&P. It's as if summer just started this month, and we've got pitiful sort of volume, especially in the UK. But markets are refusing to take notice of any bad news. So Nasdaq 100 there, highs of the move. Russell just coiling up there. Little channeling action after that pop back to highs. You know, quite a few markets have got a bit of, you know, once they got this bad pullback into the price action, they've just been sort of going sideways, haven't they? DAX, you know, straight back to highs, pulled back in. FTSE 100 just sideways, big move, big trending move in the FTSE 100, just moved up to another range, hasn't it? 250, here's that bad action again, and you know, I took the liberty of just drawing a nice line in the sand there. Small caps fully listed. Yeah, you could just draw that line in the sand on those as well, you know. We like to see action like that, don't we? AIM, yeah, just channeling action. It's right down to this previous sort of base. We'll call it a base, but you know, it's not the best of bases, was it? But right down to the lows, and you know, way above the prior lows, just drifting on. You know, everyone's disappeared, haven't they? Turn the lights out when you're finished. Close the door, turn the lights out. There's nobody left in UK small caps by the look of it out there. But we continue to turn up every day and do what we do. From market environments like this, the good times, you know, well, obviously the markets can get worse, but good times tend to follow drifty, slow consolidation periods, and that's what we've got here. So let's just see what's actually on volume today, because we've had a bit of a positive sort of couple of days, and yesterday I noticed green shoots in the small caps, you know, a lot better than we've seen it in a while. So I'm just going to put my volume screen here. 1040, we should have traded out. I'll just put 40%. No, I won't. I'll do that again. 30% to be on average volume. Not much up today on volume. Let's just fly through these and have a quick look. TRT come into mean trend yesterday, didn't it? MTL. Yeah, metal's doing okay today, aren't they? ELIX. Yeah, we've had this on. It's up there on our sort of list, isn't it? It's just a very thin one, so aren't they all though? Especially in the current market. It's just out of the top 100 on my screen, but SNX continues. Just put the log scale on. Obviously, been a focus stock at our group for some time. Valley Gifford US Growth Trust moved out, didn't it, this week? Let's just buzz through what else is up today. These are ones what are up on volume. Right through the rest of these. And then I'll have a quick look. SUP, yeah, moved out of the range, didn't it? Pulled all the way back in, and then it's just rolled over and come down to the 10-month or 200-day. A swing point yesterday. Carnival playing around on the top of that range. You know, big efficient. Bigger the base, the less likely it's going to space, is what I always say. But if you get a nice tight little base here, that would be the one what would really coil up some potential momentum. Let's just quickly look what's on the actual up on day screen. So this one's a little bit stricter in one way, but less on the volume. Just trying to transpose this over to my share pad today, but I'm not sure if I've got it right or not. So we had a few go through the swing screens last night, didn't we? I could see one of them already. Just going to fly through these and just have a look what we're looking at. GNC, MTL, QLT. So yeah, it was on the swing screens, wasn't it? I have skin in the game in some of these stocks. This was the best bet from last night, and there was another one. What I think it's got to come. CPG was on the screens. I think it's got to come in a bit more, really. I've got an add point on another one, haven't I? But I'm not going to add until there's an ex-dividend coming up, and there might be a little bit of fade into mean trend for that one. Talked about it last night. You know what it is. Yeah, just fly through the rest of these. So let's quickly have a look at pet coins. Yeah, just sideways in a base. You know, seems so long ago, doesn't it, that we talked about these last entries on this one. Keep it simple. The ones before were here. Breakout, pullback. Keep it simple. If all you did in the markets was buy breakouts and pullbacks from low risk areas, as in positioning rather than chasing, I'm pretty sure it would improve your performance no end. That's how I sorted myself out many years ago. Always do business on my own terms. TLT all the way back in. I think basically even with the rate cut, interest rates have gone up. So correct me if I'm wrong, but that pullback in the market has pulled the rug under that. But it's a normal area for it to come into, isn't it? You know, we've got a big line in the sand there. It's the 20-year. Here's the 10-year. Pretty normal action, isn't it? Let's go on to, let's just have a quick look at cable. Cable just pulling back into the sort of mean trend area, and we'll go to the metals, what seem to be getting a bit of love today, though. That, you know, I'm expecting them to pull back further, but it doesn't mean it will happen. But the stocks are acting well today. Let's just have a fly through a couple of these markets. Silver as well. So, silver, awful market. I do own HOC though. So I'll leave it there. We'll see what the end of day screens bring, as always. Let's just jump back and see if we're just getting that pop after the little bit of positivity on the open. 250 is a little bit softer there. Towards the zombie session, small caps. Nice to see small caps try to step up here as well. A little bit more love came in small caps yesterday, and green shoots is basically what I'm seeing. Quite a few of our stocks, our focus stocks in those screens we've just looked at there, wasn't there? So that's a good thing. Okay, I will leave it there.